Hi, in today's digital world, our personal data has become a kind of currency that gives us access to services and applications which are essential in our everyday life. The challenges we are facing in data protection are twofold. On the one hand, we need to guarantee that the fundamental rights of our citizens are respected and effectively enforced, no matter what country you are in, the sector you deal with, or the technology you are using. This fundamental right to protect personal data is a key issue for us liberals. On the other hand, especially at a time where we need to uphold the competitiveness of European businesses, we need to allow for innovative business models to flourish. Therefore, the fundamental right to conduct a business is essential. These two fundamental rights do not have to exclude each other. In fact, as liberals, we believe that companies which are about data protection will be able to use privacy as a successful business differentiator and not just as a matter of legalistic compliance. A few months ago, my colleague Alexander Alvaro put forward the concept of Lifecycle data protection management. It stipulates that a business that invests into protecting data from collection over processing to deletion and installs comprehensive compliance mechanism will be rewarded with a more flexible and innovation-friendly implementation and enforcement architecture. One of the key principles he outlines is data protection by design, which would help building up a sustainable data management framework. It means that businesses shall implement appropriate technical and organizational measures that ensure the protection of personal data in a systematic way. Another building block of the Lifecycle data protection management is the focus on risk and context criteria. We want to create tailored obligations for businesses for the exact cases where risks actually exist. So yes, it does make a difference whether a business knows what size your shoes are or what your medical condition is. This also means that where less risk exists, fewer obligations on businesses should be required. In conclusion, we have to make sure that the reform of EU data protection law is not just a simple adaptation of the old framework to new circumstances, but rather a real modernization so that consumers can have trust both in technical progress and in their own capabilities of determining how their data is being processed.